The 2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, tow hitch, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, climate control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.